let's go. We have 10 steps in our problem-solving methodology. It's a bit different than McKinsey's 7 steps. We use 10 steps because for clarity, right? It's more thorough as well. And our focus is to make it easy to understand each one. First step, definition, right? We define problems or opportunities. This is vital. Everybody agrees, but so many projects are delayed and fail when this step is not done well. Second, structuring. We break down things into understandable, manageable parts, and this helps make complexity like easy to handle, or easier to handle at least. Then things starts to get interesting because we need to make choices. We have to prioritize. And since we are investigating a problem, we have to understand the root causes of the problem, right? And focus on the most likely ones, and then develop a storyline that will guide the investigation. I'll go deeper there. Fourth, we collect the data to check our hypothesis. Are we correct or incorrect? Should we reject the hypothesis or just refine it? And here, all kinds of data, like quantitative and qualitative data. 5, diagnostic analysis, right? So essentially we have the data, let's do the tests and confirm or not the hypothesis we had. These 5 first steps are focused on the diagnosis, or also it's called the foundation of a project, okay? Continuing on, step number 6, we brainstorm solutions for the root causes and opportunities we've identified, right? After we confirm the root cause, now what can we do about it? We structure it again, and we create a storyline again for what we aim to achieve. Then we gather the data, this time to validate the initiatives. And this can be the same or different data, right? Different data than before. But we are using it to confirm our proposed solutions. Essentially, if we do this, that is going to happen. And the numbers show it, right? And that's the analysis. Once again, we do these predictive models, and this helps us with the outcomes, like financial impact. How much money is this going to generate? Prioritization, again, is key. 9, we choose, again, the effective initiatives. And 10, we summarize to present our findings to the decision makers or to the forums, whether investors, internal stakeholders, clients, right? And this is the design phase of the project, right? The last 5 steps. So who invented this in the first place? Who invented the problem-solving method? Nobody can claim that they invented it. The root is on the scientific method combined with creative thinking and, of course, a lot of teamwork. And consulting firms, because they are in the business of solving problems, they have refined and perfected it a lot, and they use it over and over again. So it's a time-tested method to solve complex issues. Flavio, is it linear like that? Of course not, right? Understanding the problem solving is more like navigating a zigzag path than a straight line. Often you need to revisit earlier stages, and actually the most successful problem solvers, they go back to like, oh, let's take a look at a problem definition again and update it. Or let's break it down, break our structure down again because we learn new things. The most important iterative loops here are the analysis and then the hypothesis, right? You discover something, and then you update your beliefs, and then you go for data again and keep going in this cycle, right? More on that later. So now you're familiar with the 10 steps. I wish you all the success in solving your challenges.